Mm. So Sensex is increased 584, Nifty increased 217, Nifty future around $8 has been stayed 84. Euro has reduced on 82. Brent crude oil has been 81. Gold has been fall to himself. Yeah. Market snap 6 season logging streaks. Historic Haryana attack for BJP, NCV, Congress takes Jacob. Lakshya Power Tech Limited. Okay, what they want to do, Lakshya Power Tech Limited. Okay, price brand 171. He was designing project. Hmm. So BYD India will only sell electric cars in the short term. Short term. Global play must allow rival app stores use. In the Sensex has increased. It could be in the future. Nifty increased. Samsung apologies after Q3 profit misses estimated. Godfather of AI among physics Nobel Prize winners. SBI LED committee against 18% GST on coal and diesel. Mutual banks, non-bank financial companies are recommended doing away with service to 18%. Report has estimated the coal lending should be restricted to priority sector, not extends to others. And six historic Haryana, Patrick, BJP, MG, and non-Congress take JV. Bank should avoid high-risk lending plans. That's Mr. LIC lowers first year agent pay of 18%. Market snap 6 seasons losing streak. Will fly grounded planes in 2 years, SpiceJet and DGDC. Pepsi and Co reports double-digit organic India revenue growth. Cognizant in combination against non-Indian workers engage in devotee for the business. Bank guarantees waivers financially. And Q2 is makes a drag or again to another weak quarter. And BYD India is will now sell electronic in the short term. Chauhan. IND spies to invest 14.5 thousand crores in Tamil Nadu logistic parks and Colveri Marks financial 24 profit falls 19% in 839 crores. CCP notice won't impact activities. Ola. Hybrid growth stores has developed a very recent, so we have to give them time. Akshaya to turn safety test on 14 to 25 planes and Acer may turn standalone into world's first decarbonized green. Foxconn arms to infuse 13,000 crores to set up Tamil Nadu factory. GSA GIC plan to sell 1.4 crore stakes in Greenco Energy. Strike still on Samsung Chennai unit despite pay hike offer. Adani Green unit plan to raise around 1 billion via bonds. Embassy rigid rises 2,000 crores to repay XED. Consolidation may reframing or surprise it and PE info in the real estimate jumps over twofold to Q and 2 billion to Q2. Standing in comeback, BJP hat-trick in Haryana National comes after setbacks in Lok Sabha polls. Task for BJP in Haryana finding funds for promise. NC Congress stars on a tough road ahead of Jammu and Kashmir commodities. Oh, incumbency vote in Haryana. Once doubled political lightweight shiny shows left in Haryana. Omar Abdullah to debate in Mahadip against post Article 370. A victory defeats win indications. A leader who charisma and weakness, but around a specific craft of owned of like campaign Haryana B2G reward to Bastard. SBA lead panel against 18% GST on coal. So says a coal lending restricts priority. Each bank should have dedicated department for co-lending, establish a common channel between banks, separate appraisal and risk assessment process should be there, and co-lending expected to enhance the credit flow in unserved and underserved section of the economy. So State Bank of India has encouraged co-lending between commercial banks and NBFCs recommended doing away from the goods and doing away with the goods and service tax of 18%. Government has decided to pass on lower wholesale rate. Government of India has retailers to policies to pass on beneficial wholesale prices for the okay. CAG Amurku urges advance state account closure date. Come Control General of India, um, Girish Chandru Murra, and tending to advance the date of finance, analyzing the monthly accounts and date of 10th of the succeeding month instead of 25th. He was speaking to the first day of Finance Secretary Conference organized by CAG India. Muru focused on the need to harmonize expenditure at the disagreement levels of objective of all the state governments. And the total states to comply with the emission norms CAQM to SR Supreme Court. Okay. The calls to unify the employment data segments as CRPF understand the plan to realign with 130 backlog. Government extends ESLC welfare schemes into place. No panic, though oil is available globally. And should avoid high risk disease regulations doing a world class job. I strongly recommend the fact they act on board before they discuss anything to do with regulators. Only two out of four e-com platform have minimum wage policy. So Big Basket, Swiggy, or you urban companies, Zomato, Blue Smart, Zepto, Amazon Flex, Flipkart, Ola, Uber, and Bolt. Google Play must allow rival app stores, US codes, and Play Store faces a revenue hit of 1 billion and antitrust over amount. The rulers borrowed and bar Google of 3 years of paying developers only 3 years for paying developers to only use its app store. It also cannot force developer to use its building features during the time. The company must also lay rival app stores to access to its catalog for next 3 years. China targets EU brandly hit ethic for that most of plans higher traffic and imported cars. And customers spending long holiday disappointed mixed showing Sean Choice, John Wixton, Composite, Ford Fantastic, and Hang Chang that has used 999 exchange. Oh my god. Mixed composite mix, yeah, I have seen this. China imposes temporary anti-dumping measures importing brand above the EU on Tuesday, hitting the French brands including Hennessy, Remy Martin after 27 state block order to impose tariffs and higher 45% on import of Chinese electronic vehicles for 5 years. It is said that was considering hike of tariff imports on large engine vehicles, which would hit German producer harder. The German export of the vehicles or vehicles of 2.5 liters or China said 1.2 billion lost to China. Commerce business, the preliminary finding of investment. determining the dumping and branding from the European Union threats and substantial damage of its own sector. The French trade minister he said the China temporary measure of violating the free trade that it will work on the EU's challenge the most on the world trade organization. Samsung apologized for Q3 profit jumps 274, but the business misses estimates. Samsung quarterly result and revenue plus earning per share earning is 7,744 605 777 divided by 4 by 603.4. 17% profit they have given product. Very good, very good, very good. Samsung won the third quarterly profit comes below the market expectation of 17% profit வச்சு ஒரு company விட்டு என்னத்துக்காக? So it is before tax. EBITDA, earning per IDD. Never tax. The Sri Lankan defined Chinese military training ship decisions. Sri Lanka newly appointed Foreign Ministry Vijay Dharat on US defense and government moves to allow China's military training ship to arrive in Colombo. Says the vision falls within the framework of country's diplomatic engagement and such visit pose no threat. He was responded to the question on the government Chinese People Liberation Army Navy training workshop. So long would arrive at the port of Colombo on duty as a part of ocean-going package aimed to enhancing the professional capabilities of midshipmen and conducting naval exercise with other countries. Buffett BOFA stock selling should be suppressed and believed. Protects spread in Pakistan as the IMF payload to show deficit. Sand dunes flooded after rare rainfall in Sahara Desert. Mm. Mm. Israel's Hezbollah chief stands likely to kill in USFF issued alert over Beijing 373 radar. Are you pregnant yet? I must invasive push by China for the issue. Central government should also recently pledged to reduce the medically unnecessary abortion. Uh, mm, Godfather of AI, Geoffrey Hitchson and Johnson Hatfield wins physics Nobel. A lender warning. Okay, a lender's warning of SBI of India notice EMT and present the opportunity to change the telephone company ownership. NSS or the 75 preparation for 47 the 47. Yeah, but you had any opinion on Maldivian reset? Domestic priorities in the use torn with India. Unique woman of Constituent Assembly. LIC reduces first year region play out 28% from 35%. First ensure to change the commission from revised surrender value norms. Policies if the new surrender norms comes on effect. Minimum sum should increase to 2 lakhs from 1 lakhs from to 2 lakh and commission renewed exceeds 7.5% right. LIA raised premium life insurance product for average 9%. The first insurer to change the commission after revision of surrender value. Non-filing premium falls 6.5% in September for auto sector. MF SRO to review the indebtedness and complaints. After some summer's heat pressure, autumn's BGP and MCB moves euro to decide the market objective. Right? In the Ministry of Information Broadcasting, SEBC seeks empowerment advanced development produce a range of publicity content across platform radio, print radio, TV, outdoor media, etc. Meet the communication need of the government interest in television with the with the weight. India manufacture under performance a new clue for multi-parts. Share of contract workers in single and multi-plans. Aliabad and DG and Shannon Sanich or a brand Kies Philippus online search. Calcutta slowly gets into Gurkha food expert. Retail, super restaurant, sponsorship gradually recover from the strain of protest and absence of Bangladeshi push. Samsung launches audio necessary for PS4. Apple releases iOS 18.1 and developers beta. And brokerage maintain positive. With neon jewelries and worst and fueled by lower customs duty and gold, although rates of the home appears better positions as industry lended tight and substantial export in and price differentials increase competition. FMCG revenue volume may log modest in the rising Q2. Rural may outspend urine and the rain plays spoil spot for out-of-home consumption beverages. Time to flip the script and turn the page on India stocks exports wage. The way of dragon was shanking as in this one is domestic investors set up the foreign counterparts exist. Sharp SEBI issues a checklist for the area of corporate governance. NSDL get SBA not to float public offer. SEBI has given go ahead on necessity and hybrid to launch 3 billion IPO next week. ATM money launches NSE BIFNO trading service. SBA proposed new rules for sharing financial market. Ultratech better places amid recovery hopes. Actually, Power Tech Limited. Mhm. Non-equity hybrid stands market abroad. Chinese market surges export option, export advice option. China fund power lending terms. Cruiser expert 25% meeting discount brokers and PBGT one related changes. Japan Japan would jeopardize visa changes.